Saraswati Shishukunj Vagwala Borsad, English Medium, Standard 4th Subject Maths. As you all know that we are doing the revision of unit test, right? So let's see question number 1, choose the correct option. If this question is taken from the chapter number 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so let's see number 1. If a circle has radii of 6 cm, then the diameter of it is blank. You have to imagine here a circle. Okay, you have to imagine here a circle and its radii is, what is the radii of that circle? Is 6 cm. So what will be the diameter? We have already seen this in a table also, right? That radii is 6 cm, then diameter will be 6 cm. No. B 12 cm. Yes. Diameter will be double of the radius, right? It can be 3 or 8. So our correct answer is option B. So here we will write answer 12 centimeter. Okay, now let's move towards second number sum. I have no corner and sides. I am round. Who am I? Look, here in the form of who am I, it is as the MCQ. So the options are rectangle, cylinder, circle or square. So the answer is circle, right? Here, let's see number 3. How many radii are there in a circle? If you will see the circle, right, then facts we have already seen of the circle, right? So in that facts we had written that there are infinite radii of a circle, right? A circle has an infinite number of radius, right? So here it will be 3, no. B option 1, no. C infinite, right? So the correct answer is C infinite. Now next one is number 4. Measure of all the diameters of a circle are blank, right? Look, the measure of all the diameters of a circle are blank. It can be different, it can be equal, specific or nothing can be said. What will be there? Answer will be, if you all remember the facts, circle facts, in that it was given that the measure of all the diameters of a circle are equal. It cannot be different or it cannot be specific. Specific means different in another way. Okay, so it cannot be different or it cannot be specific. So the answer is equal. Okay, let's move towards number 5. The length from center of a circle to the point on a circle. The length from the center of a circle to the point on a circle is called blank. So thus it is called chord, diameter, radius or circumference. We have already seen these all the definitions, right? So from that we can able to see that the length from center of circle to the point on a circle is called radius. So the correct option is C. Just take a look. Let's see number 6 now. Half of half is called a blank. Here the options are A half, B whole, C quarter and D none of this. If you will remember, then I have already shown you through the activity also, that in the live class by folding the page, right? First we made half part, again we made half that, half of half. So it became quarter. So here our answer is quarter. 7. Let's see that the cost of 1 kilogram tomatoes is rupees 48. Then what is the cost of 3/4 kilogram tomatoes? So if you will see, the options are here rupees 36, rupees 20, rupees 40 and rupees 80. If you are unable to know this directly, then what you can do, you can multiply. How you will multiply? You have to multiply the price with the portion which is given to you. So here the 3/4 portion is given. Okay, so if you will multiply 3/4 with rupees 48. Okay, so 4 12s are 48, right? So 12 3s are 36. So here answer is rupees 36. Clear? Now let's see number 8. 3/4 weight is equal to blank grams out of 1 kilogram. This thing we have already written in the notebook, that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, 3/4 kilogram is equal to this many grams, right? So let's see the options here. The options are 570 gram, 250 grams, 500 grams and 750 grams, right? So the answer is here 750 grams. Or if you don't know, then you can multiply this 3/4 with 1000, then you will easily get your answer. So here the answer is 750 grams. Grams here already written. Okay, now let's move towards number 9. What will come in the empty blank of the patterns given below? If you will see in the orange color numbers, that pattern is written for you, and in between there is one blank. Let's see that pattern. 1 2 4 7 11 16 blank 29 37 and 46, and the options are 17 21 26 22. How to solve this pattern? Look, if you will see that 1, after that it is given here 2, it means here between these two numbers not any single number is missing, right? After 2 it is written 4, one number is missing here, right? Here 4, then after 7 it is there, so 5 and 6 is not there, so here 2 numbers are missing, so here 3 it will miss, here it will miss 4, here 5. So what do you have to do? You have to add this 16 with 5. Okay, if you will add 16 with 5, what you will get? Answer 21, right? So we have to write after that next number, whatever the answer you will get, after that next number you have to write it. 16 plus 5 is 21. So we don't have to write answer 21. Our answer is 22. Okay, so our correct answer is here 22. Clear? Now let's see the next sum, number 10. There are 200 rooms in a hostel. Students stay in 3/4 part of the total number of rooms, whereas 1/4 rooms are closed. Out of 200 rooms, in 3/4 rooms of the total number of rooms, students stay there and 1/4 of the rooms are closed. Then find the number of rooms in students stay. So we have to find the numbers of rooms where that how many rooms are used by the student. Simple it is that you have to multiply 200 with 3/4. Okay, so if you will multiply 200 with 3/4, what you will get? 4 5s are 20 and 0 is there, so we will keep here. So 53s are 150. So our answer is here 150. Okay, just take a look. Let's move towards our next MCQ, number 11. Complete the pattern. Here you can see the pattern is there, right? ZBA, YBB, XBC, WBD, then blank, and after that UBF. It means here the letter B in between, it is C, right? But the starting letter Z, Y, X, it's going in an inverse form, right? It is inverse, alphabets are inverse, and the last place A, B, C, D, it's going in the proper way, right? So which will be the correct answer, that we have to find. Let's see the options. A is BVF, option B is VEB, option C is VBE, and option D is EVB. So what will be there? If you will notice that here it is W, right? Then before W what comes? V. So let's check V. There are two chances, from A or C. After that it is middle D. Here in middle it is E. So our correct option is C. Now V, B, E is our answer. Okay. Now let's see number 12. 2 parts out of 4 equal parts. 2 parts out of 4 equal parts of a strip means blank part. Simple thing. If one strip is there and of that strip we are making 4 equal parts and we have to consider it 2 parts. So what it would be? Let's check. 1/4? No. 4 No. 3/4? No. It is half. Right? So the correct option is half. Okay. Now let's move towards number 13. Complete the pattern. Again pattern. 10Z, 20Y, 30X, blank, 50V, 60U. So what will come? Look, 10, 20, 30. It's going at 10 splits. Right? It is jumping after 10 numbers. Okay? And here the alphabets are equals. 40B, that will not come. Or another option is 40T. T never comes between X and V. Right? 40. C option is 40W. Will it be 40W? Yes, it will be 40W. So our answer is here C. 40W. Okay? Let's see number 40. One part out of 4 equal parts of a paper means blank part. One part out of 4 equal parts. You have to consider only one part. It means what it will be? 1/4, 1/2, 3/4 or 4/4. So the answer is 1/4. Right? So the correct answer is here 1/4. Okay? Now let's see the 15th number MCQ. If OS is equal to 7 cm. If you will see here, OS in this diagram, what is the distance of that OS radius? Is 7 cm. And separation between the circle is 4 cm. Separation between circle means here they are talking about the inner circle and middle circle. Okay. So the separation between these two is of 4 cm. And this one is of 7 cm. Then what is the length of TQ? You can see T is here and Q is here. Okay. So we need to find the total length of TQ. It means the diameter of middle circle. So first we need to find the radius of the middle circle. So to find the radius of the circle, we will get OT as a 11 cm. 11 cm plus 11 cm. It will be 22 cm. 7 cm will also not come. 4 will also not come. 11 is the radius. So our answer is TQ is equal to 22 cm. Okay. So this is our correct answer. Just take a look. I hope that now it is clear for you MCQ's question number 1A. Do your worksheet well? Thank you.